Hello, my name's James and I'm here today to introduce you to the Synergy ST1500 gas grill. The Synergy gas grill, once you've unpacked it out of all the original plastic wrapping, you'll find that it comes with a light coating of oil over the grill bars. You'll then, alongside the manual, you'll get a couple of cleaning advice cards. The first one is around how to season your grill bars once the grill is brand new and how to keep them seasoned ongoing. We also have a cleaning card which shows you exactly how to clean your grill after service or in the following morning. You'll find the grill comes with, first of all, some cleaning tools and lifting tools. So this is our bar lifting tool. This is our scraping tool to remove large debris from the bars. Also comes with some cleaning tape, shows you how to clean igniters. So once you've unpacked your Synergy griddle, you're ready to turn it on. You'll hear some clicking as the igniters start working, looking for gas to ignite. And then you'll notice that your grill goes into a warm-up period. Now this warm-up period lasts 30 minutes and it's the grill on maximum temperature to get up to speed as quickly as possible. Now, whatever the setting was that you had on when you last turned the grill on will automatically revert back to the same number as you had it on yesterday. But for today, as it's our first time, we'll see what the burner is set at. We'll have to set it where we like. Today, we are going to opt for number 7. Now, let's just talk you through each of the numbers first of all. So burner settings 1 is really kind of more of a standby type mode. We wouldn't really use that for cooking. You might use it if you're just going to be simmering and using it almost as a solid top. Number 1, 2 and 3 are quite good temperatures. Numbers 4, 5 and 6 is where you start doing most of your cooking, particularly if you're using fatty foods, doing lots of burgers. The higher the temperature, the more active cooking, the more vaporization you get from the product. You don't want it to be too hot. You start getting up into number 7 is where I would use it for cooking a range of different products, where I've got some burgers, some lean food, some vegetables. If you're cooking lots of prime cuts, lean meats, chicken, steaks, things like that aren't Wagyu and don't have lots of melting fat in there, you want to be up at 9 and 10. Okay, that'll give you a really good sear, really excellent caramelization on the products that you're cooking. Just to explain a little bit about how the Synergy gas grills work. This is the original design of the Synergy grill. So first of all, you'll notice that there is a whole bed of ceramic stone across the entire base of the grill. This stone really retains the heat and reaches a temperature of around 500 to 525 degrees C. We then bring in gas through the central burner system. The gas uses a trick from your home domestic boiler, whereby we mix the gas with air to improve combustion and ensure that every particle of gas has been burned. The fans which bring in the air to the gas line also pump air around the ceramic stone area and create what we call an air vortex. Now that air vortex pulls the gas flame down to heat the ceramics. So the glass flame is not doing any of the cooking. The gas flame simply gets the ceramics to a lovely hot grilling temperature and is the closest thing to replicate glowing hot embers on a barbecue. The ceramic pit also, in the same way as a barbecue, means that we have no fat tray inside a Synergy grill, because as the debris and oils and juices and proteins from whatever you're cooking hit the ceramic stone, the solids turn to dust, the liquids turn to steam and baste the food, which really adds the flavour and the succulence of anything that you grill on a Synergy product. You'll notice that there are air holes and air hooks. These help ensure that the vortex is going in the right direction and maintain the even temperature across the whole surface of the grill. They also encourage debris and particles to be drawn down as it's drawing the flame down, which means that there is a reduction of the amount of debris that's going up into your baffles and a reduction in debris that is landing on the food which you are cooking and serving to customers. Now today we have a number of different accessories with us today. So the first accessory we're going to be demonstrating on later today is a flat plunger accessory. It's a solid piece of mild steel which you can use with or without the housing it comes with. Housing's really useful if you're, let's say, griddling onions for hot dogs or burgers, things like this. You can also use this plancher for scallops, pieces of fish, liver, things like that. You must be mindful when you're using this piece of equipment in that the temperature will get hotter because there's no ventilation in it. So when you're using this accessory, we recommend turning the grill, your standard grilling temperature down. The next accessory we have is a different kind of bar. So this is what we call a triangular shaped bar, which has been turned over. So it's made out of cast iron. This bar is stickier. Because it's cast iron, food will stick on it a little more, makes it ideal for cooking skin on fish, skin side down. Keeps the fish stuck onto the cast iron, keeps it lovely and flat. You get a really lovely, even, crispy finish on fish skin. The next accessory we're going to be working with today is what we call a hybrid griddle bar. Now, this is for customers who have invested in Synergy Grill and might want to be doing some griddling and other types of cooking. Now, unlike the upturned bars we have here, these are made from mild steel. They are solid on both sides, which helps really keep the temperature inside them. Once again, if you're using this accessory, it's necessary to turn your standard kind of grill temperature setting down by probably 2 to 3 marks, depending on how many of these products you have. And what this does as well is enables you to griddle food or give the appearance of griddle food, but still take advantage of the fat atomizing technology. So as they have slits running through the bars, you'll find that fats can still drain away and vaporize in the pit underneath the bars. The diamond-shaped bars are supplied as standard with our gas grill products, and the triangle-shaped bars or pyramid-shaped bars are supplied as standard with our electric products. You can interchange these two. If you speak to your representative or your dealer, they can make that change for you. Now, using the right brush on your bars will not just help remove fine debris from the bars and help keep them in perfect working order, they'll also help move and distribute fats up and down the length of the bars for a nice, even seasoning. For more information about the Synergy ST1500 gas grill, please contact your dealer, click the link below, or visit our website.